Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we break down the tech that matters without the fluff. Today, we're looking at a machine that's built for serious gamers, content creators, and power users. The Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16 SAI laptop. Let's start with what everyone's wondering, the gaming experience. Powered by Intel's 14th Gen Core i9-HX processor and NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4080 GPU, the Helios Neo 16 delivers performance that pushes the limits of what a laptop can handle. AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, and Hogwarts Legacy run at ultra settings with buttery smooth frame rates, and ray tracing looks incredible when paired with DLSS 3. Competitive games like Valorant, Apex Legends, and Fortnite benefit massively from the high refresh display, delivering lightning-fast response times and low input lag. The cooling system, Predator's refined Aeroblade 3D fans, and liquid metal thermal paste keeps temps stable even during extended gaming marathons, so you're not throttled mid-match. Design-wise, the Helios Neo 16 carries the Predator. DNA bold lines, sharp edges, and subtle RGB accents that you can tune to your liking. The chassis is a mix of premium aluminum and reinforced polycarbonate, giving it a solid, sturdy feel without being overly heavy. The Predator logo on the lid lights up with customizable colors, and the keyboard's perk eRGB. Lighting lets you set up custom profiles for games or productivity. Front and center is a 16-inch WQXGA display with a 240 Hz refresh rate and 100% DCI-P3 color coverage. It's bright, color accurate, and perfect for both gaming and creative work like photo and video editing. NVIDIA G-Sync support ensures smooth visuals with no screen tearing. And the high resolution strikes a perfect balance between sharp detail and high frame rates. Performance outside of gaming is just as impressive. The combination of that HX series, CPU, up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage makes heavy workloads feel effortless, from 4,000 video rendering to running complex AI models. That's where the AI features come in. Acer's Predator Sense software now integrates with AI-powered performance tuning, automatically adjusting power delivery, fan speeds, and thermal profiles based on what you're doing. There's also a AI-enhanced noise suppression for calls, AI upscaling for media, and even AI-assisted creative tools for photo enhancement. Battery life is respectable for a gaming laptop. The 99 watt-hours battery delivering around 6 to 7 hours of mixed use, or about 2 to 3 hours of gaming if you're away from the charger. The included 330W charger is big, but it juices the battery quickly. And USB-C charging is supported for lighter tasks. The audio setup features DTS:X Ultra speakers, offering clear highs, decent bass, and positional audio that helps in competitive shooters. Plug in a good headset. You can take advantage of the laptop's low latency 3.5mm and USB audio output. Connectivity is future-proof. Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-low latency online play. Bluetooth 5.34 fast pairing with peripherals. Thunderbolt 4 ports for high-speed external storage or docking, HDMI 2.1 4K 120Hz output, and a full SD card reader for creators. In terms of pricing, the Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16 sits in the high-end gaming laptop tier. But given the RTX 4080 GPU AI enhancements and premium build, it's competitive with other flagship gaming laptops from Asus, MSI, and Alienware Pros. Top-tier gaming performance, excellent cooling, premium display, strong AI integration, and a build quality that feels ready for years of use. Cons: it's still a hefty machine. Battery life is average under heavy load. And the power brick is large, but those are compromises you expect in this performance category. The verdict: the Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16 SAI laptop is a powerhouse that blends raw gaming performance with forward-looking AI features. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a streamer, or a creator working with heavy workloads, this laptop is ready to handle it all. This has been Tap Tech, where we keep reviews sharp detailed, and straight to the point. Hit that subscribe button. If you want more deep dives into the latest tech that actually delivers,